Dr. Anthony Fauci, the expert for infectious disease for America, and Oga Donald Trump don jam head for the time to reopen school and business for America. Trump say Dr. Fauci want to satisfy everybody for this reopen matter. Fauci say to open school and business back quick go bring suffering and kpai. But Trump say e good make dem open quick but they must follow the guideline wey dem put for ground. Trump say Dr. Fauci wetin e talk dey unacceptable. The chairman of the presidential task force for corona matter for Naija, Boss Mustapha, don challenge Nigerian researchers and medical sabinus to do drugs and vaccine to fight coronavirus. The governor of Central Bank CBN, Godwin Emefiele, say Central Bank don launch 100 million healthcare intervention fund to support and challenge Nigerian scientists for hope and obodo oyibo to go back to laboratory and find local vaccine to take treat this corona matter. Talking na for mouth, action na we want. This na Ororo for Pidgin News Network World News.